right now, the website is done and it looks nice as it is like on a browser. So wow, there you go. It looks good on a desktop browser. Boom, boom, that works, that works. Now though, this separates you from the amateurs to the pros, is creating it as a responsive layout so that it looks nice now if somebody pulls it up on a phone. And so the way to display that, so here's on a browser, if I do inspect, let's just control click, inspect, and now if I click this right here, this is what it's gonna look like on a phone. And now look at that. Now if someone pulled up my website on a phone, that looks crusty. All right, so that's the last thing we're gonna fix. And we'll keep it in this view so we can see it. And I can actually, so we can see it as we're adjusting it. So I could just leave this over here. And we'll put this here. And okay, so we're gonna clean that up so it looks nice on a phone. And what we're gonna do, we don't need to rewrite code here, we can just organize it, is media queries. So let's style this. Boom. Media queries. Here it is. So we're gonna write media, at media, thank you, at media only screen and max width 77 px. Whoa. Px 770 px, and then curly braces. Okay, so now within this media query, in 770 px, which is nice standard to align your website to a phone, like to any iPhone. Let me see something. Okay, to any iPhone is this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll start off with our header section. Scroll all the way up, and let's copy all the way header text. Let me see. Let me check. Okay, so all the way to H1. So we're going to take H1 and up, right here, and let's copy it. Copy, and let's bring it down to our media query. Inside of it, boom, make sure that end curly brace is there. And in the header, the only thing that we need to keep is background image, and let's actually go none. It's too big. So let's just do none for that. Boom, we remove the image. In the container, let's make this a little smaller. 50 and 50. Nice. Look at that. I am proud of myself because this is coding skills. Okay, and our logo, let's make that a little smaller as well. Let's keep margin top. Let's go 27. Okay. Margin top. Let's, the height's gonna be the same, but we will change the width and make it 25, 250. Okay. And our header text, let's make that a little different. Let's make the margin top 100 instead of 140. Nice, nice. It's looking good. And then our H1 font, let's make that a little smaller. Let's make that a little smaller, and we're gonna make that 25 px. Good. Save. All right, there's our header section. Okay, and now let's get that button actually. The menu button. Where is that? Oh, right here. Menu button. Menu button. Good. Menu button. And let's put the width to 40. Nice. Width to 40. And we don't need to change that. Don't need to change those. This is only changing things when it is on a phone size. So if you don't change it, then it's just gonna stay the same as what you originally had it. And let's change right to 50. Okay. Okay, save. All right, now let's clean up our button. It's looking a little big. So I'm scrolling up, define button. Do. Here we go. Common button. There. Okay, let's bring it down to that media query we got. And what we're gonna change is only the padding here. And we're gonna put it 10 px, and 16. There you go. Much better, much better. I am proud of myself because this is looking nice. All right, let's fix these social media buttons. Let's copy that. Boom, boom. Social media, we're gonna leave that so we don't need that. Width is gonna be 14. And margin, we got 15 px top and bottom, and auto right to left. Save. Okay, just made it a little bit smaller. About. So now let's organize our about. So we got that size. Boom, done. One section done. Good job. Now, next, the about stuff. That's look rough. Okay, so on the about, we're gonna go, let's get the we are gonna get this actually. Boom, we're gonna target both of them. Okay. So right here, and we're gonna with a comma, and just copy this. So we're doing the both left and right side. All right, and flex basis is gonna be 100% this time. 100%. Okay. See. Okay. 100%. And then the about text. The about text. Let's clean that up. Let's go to our about section. Okay. About text, and all we're going to change here is display inline block. That's fine. Max width, we'll leave that. Margin, we're just going to be margin this time, and we're going to put 50 px for the top. 50 px for the right and left, and then 0 for the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. That is wonderful. 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 Full of wonder. All right, and now let's grab wonderful. Let's grab this. See if I need to get anything else from up here. It's okay. Boom. Scroll back down. Boom. For the H2, we're going to just change the font size. It's a little too big, so we don't need those. Font size is going to be 18. Let's go 18. Nice, much cleaner. And now let's, so there we got our about. Good. Now, hey, that almost just naturally looked good, but let's clean it up a little bit more. Our features, naturally, I mean like on its own. Feature column. Feature column. Feature column. Feature column. Feature column. Feature column. 100%. Yikes. 100%. And we'll change this to margin bottom. So we got some space in the bottom. 220 px. There you go. It's a little better. See? See? Do you see this? Do you see? Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. All right. Now we got to get our courses section cleaned up. We're going to go to our course section, and grab course section column, this left column, and we're going to use the right column. All right, so course column, din din din, and we'll go down here. Boom. Curly brace. Boom. Ooh. Is that an error in my code? I see. Hold on. Okay. Let me just see first though. Did I write it the same over here? Let's check it out. Where's my course section? Course column left. And that's why things looked a little funky. Okay, oh well, it's spelled the same. As long as it's spelled the same, there's not a problem. So, okay, spell the same, so that's why it worked well. I'm gonna put the S just for me. Boom, boom. But that just means in order for me to make sure things are good, I have to put the S over here too. Boom, boom. But at least everything was all the same anyways. All right. Let me check. Let me just check this thing out. Okay, we're back in action. Okay. Woo! We're good. All right, we're good. Nice. Hey. Okay, so back on track. Sorry for that little checking. Boom. Nice. So, back to it. Course, right, yes. What did I want to do? In my media query, course, right, we're going to actually do left first. Left, awesome. Ding, ding. And we're going to do flex, basis, and I want it 100%. All right, there you go. And next, I want this, course, left, curly brace. This is going to be right. This is going to be right, and what we're going to do on the right side is, I'm in my media query, just so you got that clear. That little mix up. So I got course right column, flex basis again, %, and then margin top 70 px. Okay, nice. There you go. All right, just so we're not mixed up. my courses, just so you guys can look at it. Course. If your code looks like mine. Okay. Next, we're going to do, we did our course section. Course. Okay, now we're going to do our contact section. So we're going to go this contact left and right. We're going to do this one, these two right here. Grab those, bring them down. And instead, so we just did that. That looks clean already, because remember we didn't need to switch the offer one because it was the same as the about, so it edited at the same time. And now we're on contact. So our contact left and right is going to be 100%. Wow, look at that. That is, yo, this, when I code stuff like this boosts me up because this is cool. This is for real sick. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And then, what's the next one? Right column. Oh, I guess just give some space here. So we can do margin, top, and that is 50 px. Good. Just gave it a little bit of space. Okay. Now, footer. Let's get our footer organized because that's all jumbled. Footer. Footer left column. We can actually just take this whole thing, footer left column, put it down here, boom, boom, and let's make a footer right column. Footer right column. Flex basis, yeah, 100, there you go, ding, ding, ding. Footer left, footer right, and then link and then our link, where we at? Yeah. Link title. Okay, just this one. Just this right here. Copy. Title, curly brace, and let's do flex basis 50% and margin bottom 30 px. Woo! Alrighty. There you go. And there you go. Boom. Our website now looks clean as if it's a phone. All right, let me actually, Minimize this. Looks clean as if it's a phone. Look at that. Organized. We can open, close, still does our scroll. Boom, boom. And now take it off phone mode. Take the inspect off. And this is what our website looks like regardless of how big it is. Like whatever screen you're on, it's looking clean. It's looking pretty awesome. So that's sick. If this is your first website you made, great job. This is my first talking as I'm coding YouTube video, which I'm pretty pumped about. Pretty fresh. So yes, if you like this website, if you like how I taught, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, create it, show your other friends. If in how I'm coding and teaching it, put it in the comments, let me know. Hey, this guy talks too slow. Oh, this guy's fast. Encouragement will help. That'd be great. But yeah, like, subscribe, follow, peanut butter, cheese, macaroni, spaghetti. See ya.